Buju, Wago Shindagu, Migizi and Dodame, Minawa, Gaza Gasquaji Mekog, and Dunjaba. Today I'd like to provide a brief review of Angeline Boulley's book, Firekeeper's Daughter. I read this book when it first came out, and Angeline just exploded into the YA literature scene with a New York Times bestseller. This work stayed on the top of the New York Times bestseller list for quite a few months, and it's a really remarkable piece of literature. It's been widely adopted in the United States and in Canada, received lots of critical acclaim. It's the story of Donis Fontaine, who is navigating the multiracial space around her school, her emerging potential love interest, and looking for clues to a crime. And so it's a great thriller, well crafted. And I think one of the other things that I really appreciate about this book is that, Angeline Boulley is just a genuine, authentic Ojibwe woman grounded in her community. And so you get a window into parts of our language, culture, community, and the complex issues around race and gender that so many Native people have to deal with. So it has gotten a lot of great attention and deserved every bit of it. Highly recommend Firekeeper's Daughter. Miigwech. Miigwech for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer.